Hello. Yeah.
Activity number 2. Use any video apps and ed technology tools for presentation. Number 1. Enumerate and discuss the different assessment methods and tools utilized by your teachers in elementary and high school. Number 2. What are the advantages and disadvantages of these assessment methods and tools? Cite concrete example. So the following are the assessment methods and tools utilized by my teacher back in elementary and high school. So for the assessment methods, formative assessment and summative assessment. And now for the assessment tools, rubrics, concept map, oral presentation, peer assessment, and portfolio. So formative assessment may be seen as assessment for learning, so teachers can make adjustments in their instruction. This also assessment as learning wherein students reflect on their own progress. Formative assessment may be given at any time during the teaching and learning process. It is also a way to check the effectiveness of instruction. Summative assessment, on the other hand, may be seen as assessment of learning, which occurs at the end of the particular unit. This form of assessment usually occurs toward the end of a period of learning in order to describe the standard reached by the learner. Often, this takes place in order for appropriate decisions about future learning or job suitability to be made. Judgment derived from summative assessments are usually for benefit of people other than the learner. Summative assessment measures whether learners have met the content performance standards. Teachers must use methods to measure student learning that have been deliberately designed to assess how well students have learned and are able to apply their learning in different contexts. And now let's move to assessment tools. Rubrics. For assessing qualitative student work such as essays, project, reports, or presentations, we recommend the use of rubrics. They serve well to denote clearly the specific expectations for an assignment and for student performance. They can be used for grading, for providing feedback, and for informing and encouraging students to think about their own learning. A concept map is a diagram with hierarchical nodes labeled with concepts. The nodes are linked together with directional lines and are arranged from general to specific. Next is oral presentation. Oral presentations, also known as public speaking or simply presentations, consist of an individual or group verbally addressing an audience on a particular topic. The aim of this is to educate, inform, entertain, or present an argument. Peer assessment. Peer assessment or self-assessment is a process whereby students or the peers grade assignments or tasks based on a teacher's benchmarks. The practice is employed to save teachers' time and improve students' understanding of course materials as well as improve their metacognitive skills. And last is the portfolio. A student portfolio is a compilation of academic work that provides a comprehensive overview of a student's achievement. Students' portfolios typically include academic documents and other educational evidence that, well combined, can give a skyscraper view of a student's abilities and progression. And now for the advantages and disadvantages. For the advantages, it encourages reflective practice, getting student to recognize quality of own work, allows to identify own strengths and weaknesses. And for the disadvantages,
getting students to recognize quality of own work affected by context, time, and needs preparation.